everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kata. Today I have done this very simple and clean looking makeup tutorial for you guys. This is something you can wear when you just want to put a little bit of makeup on but not go too far but still want to look presentable. Now, I don't personally wear makeup every single day, but the days that I do want to wear makeup but not too much, this is something that I will do. So if you really want to achieve this look, please stay tuned to watch this video. Hey everyone, so first we're going to start off with the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. We're just going to go ahead and apply that all over the face, nice and evenly. And then we're going to go in with the Maybelline Master Prime. And we're going to focus that more on the areas if you have larger pores. As you can see, I'm doing it mostly on the cheeks, and I'm just going to kind of dab that in just to really fill up the pores so my foundation applies nice and evenly. And just let that dry. And then we're going to use Tarte Rainforest of the Sea in shade Light Neutral, and I'm going to use my Beauty Blender just to blend all of that in and make it look as natural as possible. Just really blend in with the skin, and I do really like this foundation. It's not too bad. It's not one of my favorite foundations, but it's definitely not the worst foundation. But it could definitely be better. I probably won't be purchasing this foundation and probably be getting some other kind when I run out of this one. And then we're also going to use Tarte Rainforest of the Sea shade Fair Light Concealer. Apply that under your eyes, anywhere you really want to brighten up. And then just blend that in as well with the Beauty Blender. I'm telling you guys, Beauty Blender saves lives. It saves lives. Because brushes just don't compare to Beauty Blender. They don't. And then just keep blending. I like to put concealer sometimes under my lips just because I find that area to be dark sometimes. So yeah. Oh, and I am singing. Yes, girl. Alright, next we're going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ash Brown. I love this eyebrow product because you can really work with it. If you want a more natural look, you can achieve that. If you want a more dramatic look, you can also achieve that as well. Next, we're going to use that concealer again, the Tarte concealer, and just carve out the eyebrows a little bit just to make them nice and clean looking. And I think I got them pretty evenly. It's as good as it's going to get, you guys. Next, we're going to use the BH Studio Pro Waterproof Eye Primer, and I absolutely love this eye primer. It works really good. And then the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. We're going to take that lightest shade and just apply it all over the lid with a nice fluffy brush. And then we're going to use that palette again, but we're going to use the middle shade just to put into the crease, just as a transition shade, and make it look nice and natural and give the eyelid just some definition. Next, we're going to use the Sephora liquid eyeliner in black, and I kid you not, I spent at least 10 minutes doing my eyeliner. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And I'm actually pretty proud of myself of how even looking I made them to be, and that's very rare. Did a very natural little wing, nothing too dramatic. Next, we are going to apply the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Butterfly Mascara, and I absolutely love this mascara. This is definitely my go-to mascara, drugstore mascara, and it does not flake on me throughout the day. It really does what I want it to do. It lifts my lashes, it makes them thicker, and it keeps the area clean. I love the brush. So all in all, I love it. Alright, and that's with me finishing both of the eyes. Next, we're going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to put that all over my face just to set all of my foundation and for it to really just lock into place. And then we're going to go in with a Benefit Dandelion Twinkle highlighter. This is a very natural highlighter as well. If you're looking for that bold in-your-face highlighter, this is not for you. This is very, very natural. And I did wet the brush with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray onto the brush just to give it a little extra power. But I just put that everywhere that you want some nice glow to your face. It looks very, very nice and natural. Next, we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills light to medium shade contour palette, and just use that middle shade and just use to contour the nose ever so lightly. And then we're going to use the same palette with a bigger brush, same shade or same color, and use it to just lightly contour the cheeks, nothing too dramatic. Once again, we are just trying to go for a nice, simple, spring, fresh look. And I'm dancing again, or singing. Yep, I definitely had to make it PG. You know what I'm talking about, you know what I cut out. Next, we're going to go in with blush, and this is by Bare Minerals. This is their Gen Nude collection, and the color is That Peach Though. It's a very, very nice, simple and clean pink. It's very natural. I love it for spring. I think it's like my new favorite blush right now, actually. Next, we're going to do the lips, and we're going to use NYX Nude Beige shade lip liner, Bare Minerals. And you can use any kind of a clear nude lip gloss just to top it off and to finish up the lips. I'm just lining up my lips nicely, not too much, just to give them some definition. Next, we're going to go in with the lipstick and just add a nice amount. Really blend in the lip liner and the lipstick together. And then, I didn't actually record this, but I just topped it off with some lip gloss, and then I was all done. Alright, you guys, so we are all done with the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this and learned something or got to see how a certain product worked that you were interested in. All the products that I did use today, I really do enjoy, and it helps me create a natural look that I usually go for. That is it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below something that you want me to do next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I will definitely be doing more videos because I absolutely love doing this and it's so much fun. I love editing the videos. I know some people don't like it, but I love it. Okay, now I'm ranting. Alright, anyways, honestly, bye, peace. Love y'all.